Hi my friends, welcome back to another review. For today's review, we are now I cannot pronounce brands that well, so I apologize my friends, but NITAGUT, NITAGUT. These are men's linen shorts, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to review them, see how well they fit. Sometimes when you get clothing, it's kind of questionable if they actually fit or not, but this is how they look. I mean, they look nice. You have one pocket in the back, two pockets on the sides like normal shorts. You have the drawstrings in the front. I mean, yeah, they look nice. They are stretchy, so you can see start here, you could stretch them out. So, looks like they're going to be flexible. Let's try them on. Alright. Let's see here. Woo! Woo! Alright. Well, we can see they're a little tight. Now, I do want to point out that when they're tight, they make you look just... Hold on, when they're tight, you look more than alright. I personally do like tighter clothing, and that's because tighter clothing make you look better. Well, most times. So, okay, they were tight to get on, but once they're on, they actually kind of fit nice. I like them. Flexible, even though they're tight. Yeah, very nice, actually. When I was pulling them up, I was like, I don't know about these, but I actually like them a lot. I don't actually personally need these. So, you know, if you don't need them, you just simply tie them just loosely. You don't have to go crazy, which we'll do that. Or just simply tuck them away. But yeah, I like them. I honestly was not going to like them at first. That's why you always, no matter what you're doing, you always gotta keep at something. I mean, they're flexible. What I do like is they go down past your kneecaps. I just gotta do these a little better here. They go past your kneecaps, which I personally like shorts that go past your kneecaps unless they're specifically designed for exercising. Well, they go past your kneecaps, and the problem with shorts that go past your kneecaps when you're exercising, a lot of times they can catch like this. So they get catch, and then it kind of pulls your pants down or your shorts down, and then, well, as you're doing a squat, everyone behind you is getting a nice view. But these, they stretch enough that they do catch, but they stretch. So instead of pulling your pants behind you, they actually stretch out. Overall, I like them. They're nice. They fit good. They feel nice. I mean, I don't know what you guys think as far as looks go, but I like them.